Welcome, and from home is a Amazon Fire Phone, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card into the device. So starting off, you will need a SIM card, which is the smallest one. As you can see, this tiny little thing. If I flip it over, that's how it looks like. And some kind of pin eject tool or SIM eject tool. Usually they come with the phone. I have one right here, but you can also use some kind of paper clip. It should work as well. And what you want to do is on the left side, you have a tray with a tiny little hole where you can insert the paper clip or this tool, and just push it in firmly, and you will see that the tray just pops up. Then you want to just take it out all the way, take the SIM card, put it with the cutout in the bottom left corner, as you can see right now. It's right here, and then slide it back in. Just make sure that the SIM card doesn't fall out. And as you can see, it's being read. It requires a PIN number, so let me put that in there. The SIM, and I'm not sure why I have to put it twice. I guess I don't know the PIN to it. Well, but as you can see, it's working, and yeah, that's how you put it in. And if you want to take it out, you can just do the same process again. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.